Hello, English learners, and welcome to Coffee and English, the podcast where we turn everyday English into social superpowers. I'm your host, William, and today we're going to talk about something that connects all of us as human beings. Small talk is the key that opens every door to friendship and connection. Whether you're meeting someone new at work, talking to your neighbor, or making friends in a new country, small talk is how relationships begin. Here's what I want you to know. After today's episode, you'll never run out of things to talk about in English. I'm going to give you 100 useful sentences that work in almost any social situation. These aren't just random phrases. These are the real sentences that English speakers use every day to connect with each other. By next week, people will notice how naturally you start conversations and keep them flowing. The secret is this. Most small talk follows the same patterns in every language and every culture. People talk about the weather, their weekend, their work, their hobbies. It's not about being clever or funny, though those things are nice too. It's about showing that you're a friendly person who cares about others. It's about creating that warm feeling that makes people want to spend time with you. Let's start with the foundation of all social interaction, universal greetings. These 10 sentences work in every situation, from formal business meetings to casual conversations with neighbors. Practice these until they feel completely natural.
Good morning. How are you today? Hi there. It's nice to see you.
Hello. How have you been lately? Good afternoon. How's your day going?
Hey, it's great to run into.
Good evening. How are things with you?
Hi, I hope you're having a good day.
Hello there. How's everything going? Good to see you again. Hi, how have you been doing? Beautiful. Those greetings are your social foundation. Now let's move to everyone's favorite small talk topic, the weather. Weather talk might seem boring, but it's actually brilliant because everyone experiences weather and it's always changing. Plus, it's completely safe and neutral. Here are 10 weather sentences that will serve you well.
Beautiful day today, isn't it?
Looks like it might rain later. I hope this sunny weather continues.
It's getting colder these days.
What a lovely morning this is. The weather's been crazy lately, hasn't it? I love this time of year. It feels like spring is finally here. This heat is really something, isn't it?
Perfect weather for the weekend.
Excellent! You now have 20 sentences and you're already building real social confidence. Let's continue with weekend and free time topics.
These conversations help you connect with people on a personal level and often lead to interesting discoveries about shared interests.
How was your weekend?
Any fun plans for the weekend?
I had such a relaxing weekend.
What did you get up to yesterday? I'm looking forward to the weekend.
Did you do anything special recently?
I had a great time this weekend. Any exciting plans coming up?
I love having free time to relax. The weekend went by so quickly. Wonderful. Now we're at 30 sentences and you're developing real conversation skills. Let's talk about work and studies, which are universal human experiences. These sentences help you connect with colleagues, classmates, or anyone you meet in professional or educational settings.
How's work treating you these days?
I'm really enjoying my job lately.
Work has been pretty busy recently. How are your studies going?
I had a productive day today.
My job is quite interesting, actually. I'm learning so much at work.
Studies can be challenging sometimes.
Work-life balance is really important. I like my colleagues a lot. Fantastic. We're at 40 sentences now, and you can feel how these conversations start to flow naturally. Let's explore hobbies and interests, which are perfect for finding common ground with new people. When you discover shared interests, friendships often begin.
What do you like to do for fun?
I really enjoy reading in my free time.
Do you have any interesting hobbies?
I love spending time outdoors.
I'm trying to learn something new.
What kind of music do you listen to?
I enjoy cooking on the weekends.
Do you like watching movies? I'm really into fitness these days.
That sounds like a fascinating hobby.
Excellent work. We're halfway through our 100 sentences, and you're building genuine social confidence. Now let's talk about family and personal life. These topics require a bit more sensitivity, but they help create deeper connections when used appropriately.
How's your family doing?
I have two wonderful children. My family means everything to me. Do you have any siblings? I love spending time with my family. My parents are doing very well. Family gatherings are always fun. I come from a close-knit family.
How long have you lived here?
I moved here a few years ago. Beautiful. 60 sentences completed, and you're developing real social skills. Let's move to food and dining conversations. Food is a universal language that brings people together, and everyone has opinions and experiences to share about meals and restaurants.
Have you tried that new restaurant?
I love cooking at home.
The food here is absolutely delicious.
What's your favorite type of cuisine?
I'm always looking for good restaurants.
This coffee is really excellent.
I enjoy trying new foods.
The lunch special looks tempting.
Home-cooked meals are the best.
Would you recommend this place? Wonderful! We're at 70 sentences, and you're becoming a natural conversationalist. Now let's learn about current events and safe topics. These help you stay connected to the community while avoiding controversial subjects.
Did you hear about the new park opening? The city is really growing these days. Traffic has been terrible lately.
I love the changes in our neighborhood.
That's exciting news for our community.
The local festival was amazing this year.
I enjoy staying informed about local news.
Public transportation is getting better. The new library looks fantastic. Our town has so much to offer.
Excellent! 80 sentences mastered. Now let's learn compliments and positive comments. These sentences make people feel good and create positive energy in every conversation. They're like social magic that makes people want to talk to you more.
You look great today.
That's a really nice shirt.
You did an excellent job on that.
I love what you've done with your hair.
You have such a positive attitude.
That's a fantastic idea. You're always so helpful.
I really admire your dedication.
You make it look so easy.
You have excellent taste.
Outstanding! 90 sentences completed. Now for our final 10 sentences, which are conversation transitions and closers. These help you gracefully move between topics or end conversations on a positive note. They're the social glue that makes everything flow smoothly.
Well, it was really nice talking with you.
I should probably get going now.
Thanks for the great conversations.
Let's definitely stay in touch.
I hope we can talk again soon.
By the way, before I forget,
That reminds me of something interesting.
Speaking of that, have you heard about... Anyway, I don't want to keep you.
take care and have a wonderful day.
Congratulations! You just learned 100 powerful sentences for social English conversations. You now have everything you need to confidently start conversations, keep them flowing naturally, and end them gracefully. These aren't just sentences, they're your social confidence toolkit.
Think about this for a moment. You started this episode with a common worry about awkward silences and not knowing what to say. Now you have greetings that make people smile, weather talk that breaks the ice, questions about hobbies that reveal shared interest, and compliments that brighten someone's entire day. You have the power to make every social interaction positive and memorable.
Let me share something important about social confidence. The goal isn't to use all 100 sentences in one conversation. That would be overwhelming for everyone. The goal is to have these sentences ready in your mind so that you never feel stuck or nervous again. When you know you have something appropriate to say in any situation, you naturally feel more relaxed and confident. Here's your action plan for this week. Choose 5 sentences from today's lesson that feel most natural to you. Practice saying them out loud until they feel comfortable. Then, use just one of them in a real conversation every day this week. Maybe it's greeting a colleague differently on Monday, complimenting someone on Tuesday, or asking about weekend plans on Wednesday. Small steps lead to big changes in your social confidence. Next week, when you're confidently starting conversations and people are responding positively to your friendly energy, you'll realize that social English isn't about perfect grammar or complex vocabulary. It's about genuine human connection. And you already have everything inside you to create those connections. Small talk really is the key that opens every door to friendship and connection. You now have that key, and you know exactly how to use it. Thank you for joining me today on Coffee and English. You've taken a huge step toward becoming more socially confident in English. Practice these sentences, use them with genuine warmth, and watch how your social world expands. This is William, and I'll see you in the next episode where we'll continue building your English confidence together.